How to make extra income with a full-time job. If you need professional assistance to guide you in financial investment and banking, contact Boca Raton Financial Banking and Investment Purposes. Reach these professionals for expert advice and counseling. Are you confused as to how to file your income tax returns? Need any expert advice on the tax payment? Just drop in at one of the offices of the expert accountants in Orlando and entrust your accounts and queries for immediate relief. Boca Raton Banking and Investment Services offer safe and secured services and are a trusted and noteworthy place to entrust all your banking and investment needs. Trust these bankers and investment experts to handle all your hard-earned money. Credit cards are used widely in almost all transactions, be it for shopping or payment of bills. Boca Raton offers expert credit card services and related merchandise and equipment supplies. Boca Raton has many credit counselors who can provide expert guidance on the correct and proper usage of credit cards. Credit card debts are much prevalent these days, and a visit to one of these counselors might prove to be very useful.